Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to allow nearby devices permission on Snapchat using the latest update. If your Snapchat features aren't working properly, especially things like device connections or certain filters, this quick setting might be the fix you need. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your system-level permissions and controls are located. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management. The name might vary slightly depending on your device, but it usually appears in the middle of the menu. Tap on Apps and you'll see a full list of all the applications installed on your phone. From here, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Snapchat. Once you see it, tap on Snapchat to open its app settings. Now, inside the Snapchat app settings page, look for the option called Permissions. This section controls what Snapchat is allowed to access on your device, such as your camera, microphone, and more. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of different permissions. Find the one labeled Nearby Devices. This permission allows Snapchat to detect and interact with nearby devices, which can be important for certain features. Tap on Nearby Devices, and you'll be given a few options. Simply select Allow to grant Snapchat access,